Hey guys, Dave here, and we are going to do our final walkthrough of this major home remodeling project you've been watching for the last couple of months. So let's go in the house. I have it all set. It's our final walkthrough. We're going to go room by room, so let's go take a look. Okay, let's go inside and take a look in this house. You've seen it stage by stage from the very beginning. And as we walk in here, we have the dining area. You saw a little update before, recently with the finished floor box. And look at how nice this room came out. As soon as you enter, beautiful layout, decorative moldings. Look how nice this came out. All right, so we have the staircase leading down to the basement, and then we replaced the staircase going upstairs, all new handrails and step system. And then it opens up into the finished kitchen, open floor plan. And look at how nice this came out. You turn the corner, you have the side entry, and then full kitchen, eat-in bar, pendant lights. Look at how nice this came out. You have the pot filler over here, decorative hood panel. So this is completed, finalized. Homeowners are ready to move in. Look at how nice this came out. You turn over here, we have the family area with a gas fireplace package that we included. And this is a nice setup. It's very simple, just hit the switch and on with the fire. Nice and easy. You have your wall mount TV over here, and I'm sure they'll have the furniture all set up, dining area, the table area, and just a nice flow, nice floor plan. We were able to, if you saw our prior videos, we put a steel girder all the way from this end of the house all the way to the other, about 32 feet. Allowed us to open up and eliminate all the walls in the center here. And it's just a nice flow. Okay, so down on this end over here, we have some full closets. Comes with our closet shelving package. All the shelves in the house are included. Over here we have a second closet here. Same thing, there's a lot of storage here. And over here is the half bath for the first floor. So if you walk in here, we have the vanity and toilet. All the tiling is picked out by the homeowner. We put a decorative wall boxes in here, and it's all set. Has the lighting, the mirror. The homeowners opted to install themselves because they wanted a certain mirror that they ordered, which is coming in a couple of weeks. And as you walk around here, and we just look at this place, look at how nice this came out. The entire kitchen installed by Pangione developers. All the appliances, we handle the entire install from beginning to end. All the molding, the painting, this is turnkey. Move your furniture in and it's all set up. So let's go upstairs. We'll take a look at the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the laundry. All right, so we'll go upstairs. And again, looking down to that nice dining area, we get to the top of the stairs here, and we have the hallway. We have 3 bedrooms, 1, 2, and then over here behind us is the master. So let's go in there and take a look. All right, guys, so this is the 1 bedroom facing the front of the street. Great oversized windows, full-size closet. I mean, this is, look at that, we have these floors are all stained throughout the house. Moldings are all oversized. And this place is set. Again, put your furniture in here, move right in. Here's the 2nd bedroom. Got a full-size closet, full windows, smoke detector system, all part of the package. Pull down stairs. In here is the laundry, and it's ready for the washer dryer to be delivered. And so all the connections for the washer, the dryer, and we're all set. I mean, we're in the homeowners are set to move in, enjoy this house for years to come. Here's the hallway bathroom, and we have the full tub, shower door, which is part of the shower door package, and toilet, vanity. You have a nice little linen closet here. All the shelves are set up. So it's a nice little setup. And then as we turn, we have the last bedroom, which is the master suite. Okay, so we enter the master suite. We immediately have a small closet here. And when you enter, look at this beautiful light ceiling. Got a 10-foot tray ceiling. All the moldings all throughout. Finished floors. Look how nice this looks. Let's go into the master bathroom. And we have the vanity set up here with the his and hers vanities. So you have the first one, you have the toilet, and then you have the second vanity right over here. And look at this beautiful shower over here. Full-size shower door. It has our packaged in rain head with a handheld. Look at that. All the controls are over here, and it's all porcelain. Look at how nice this looks. All right, guys, last but not least, we have the master closet, and this is all set up by us, all packaged out, and we have the upper shelf going around the perimeter, and we have another shelf over here, and it's a double rack. And look, you got plenty of space here to hang up clothes. You have the upper shelf, and all this is packaged in. Everything's included. You have your cable, wall mount outlets all set up. This is the full package, all set, turnkey, ready to move in, and it's all handled by us, Pangione Developers Inc. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this series. We were filming for the last 90 days on this particular job site. It's come to a conclusion, and the house really came out beautiful. I'm sure this family's going to enjoy it for years to come. And it was just a nice project to show. We showed it from the very beginning to now, which is the final video. So again, if you have any questions about your home remodeling project in New Jersey, give us a call. I'm Dave Pangione. Ask for me. And our number is 201-774-3733, 201-774-3733. You can see our website at bergencountycontractors.info. And again, any questions, just let me know. Thanks.